Let's make air fryer mushroom gel. Wash and rinse. Your desired amount of mushrooms. Today I'm using king oyster mushrooms, shiitake, button mushrooms. Slice your mushrooms into bite-sized pieces. In the air fryer, add your desired amount of chili pepper. You want it more spicy, add more. If you want it less, add less. So this dish is a salty umami dish, meaning that there's no right or wrong way. So in the air fryer, add your desired amount of peppers, mushroom, garlic, and shallots. And depending how big your air fryer is, you do it 1 or 2 more times. Now this is gonna go in the air fryer for 375 at 15 minutes.
Once complete, place it in a pestle or mortar. If you don't have this, you can use a blender. You can find these at Southeast Asian supermarkets. Next, let's work on our seasoning.
So now you're just gonna add fish sauce, fennec, and MSG to taste.
I paired this up with my air fryer spare ribs, which I will have a tutorial tomorrow for this as well. And of course with sticky rice. Jeow head is a mushroom dipping sauce, so you can pair this up with veggies or with sticky rice. Salty, umami, spicy. Paired up with sticky rice, it becomes so subtle. Follow for more. Wow, look at that.